So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to convert your Figma file onto your WordPress. So this is a short tutorial on how to do it. So basically first open your web browser, which is in this case, I am using a Google Chrome to do this method. So after that, navigate to the figma.com, which is after you go to the page, you just have to log in using your credentials for you to able to access your account, and then click on the file that you wanted to convert to the WordPress. After that, you will see your file right here, and on the bottom navigation bar, you will see these options, but we're going to click or select the actions button right here. Once you're in, you will utilize the search bar for you to able to search for the WordPress. And then once you click or search for the WordPress, just click on the plugins and widgets. Once you click on that, you will see this page or this option, which is the Figma to WordPress. You just have to click on that for you to able to run or save it, for you to able to convert the Figma design onto your WordPress.